is not up to the mark. I am
attitude.
having constant counseling sessions with my staff members who are sitting at the windows and who are dealing with the applicants. On this count also, I hope you will feel a difference. What I have done is that I have tried to recruit, and we have in fact recruited 3-4 people local from the Pakistani community who have graduated, who have studied in Canada, who have graduated from Canada, because they know much better than a person who comes from Islamabad. He or she may not be able to understand the local, language everyone can understand, but the norms and the behavioral, attitudes and how to speak to an applicant. So I have told all my staff that all applicants are our customers. They are giving us money. Us means to the government of Pakistan. So we should not try to become boss, or we should not try to show our afsari to them. We should be thankful to them. They are coming to the consulate and they are paying to the government of Pakistan for these consular services.
Good attitude.
So they are not our subjects, because in Pakistan, in every government office, the officers think that, the people who are coming, it's up to my free will if I want to accommodate them or I don't want to accommodate them. I've told them, and inshallah we will display this slogan also in the consulate, that we serve you with smile.
Excellent.
So these are regarding the few steps which I have in mind, and many of them have already been implemented, some halfway, some 80%, 90%, but inshallah these targets, I am hopeful that they will be achieved very shortly. And I have to make one request also. Please also spread it by word of mouth. On each customer window, I am putting a QR code, a small card having QR code. After a customer receives any service, let's say it's passport or it's visa or it's power of attorney or any document, he or she will find a bunch of such cards, each having QR code. You just have to pick up the card, scan your smartphone. It will take the customer to our website, Google reviews. Please record your views and please record honest views. We are ready to listen even if we have many mistakes.
Khaleel Bajowa, new Consul General of Pakistan in Toronto.
That will give us the true picture of the services which are being provided in the consulate. Because definitely it will not be possible for me to interact with each and every person who is visiting the consulate, but that feedback from the public will be crucial for us to have our system improved constantly with the passage of time. So these are few ideas which I wanted to share with you. I told initially that my speech will not be very long, but it has gone long. But since I have been told that this is a representative gathering of the Pakistani community, so I took this opportunity to explain few things in more detail. So apart from consular services, this is of course my primary duty, but not, it doesn't end here. I have some other ideas which I have discussed with some of the prominent community members, and I will not go into the details. The other two focus targets which I have, among many others, is of course, increase in bilateral trade between the two countries, but this is a very generic term. So I have narrowed it down to the services sector, and even if I further narrow it down, that is the IT sector. So I have had meetings with a few prominent companies here in Toronto, and We had about 14-15 IT companies from Pakistan about a month and a half ago or a month ago here. So we are trying to build bridges between the Pakistani companies and the companies here, so that we can have export of our IT sector into North America and particularly Canada. The other area which I intend to focus is the education. We need to have more and more students, Pakistani students, who can get admitted into the Canadian universities, particularly and colleges even. So for that also, I'm trying to get connected with the relevant academicians, professors who are already working here. I'll seek their guidance, I'll seek their help and assistance, and whatever I can put in, I will put in my maximum efforts for that. At the end, thank you very much, all of you. You have taken time, as was earlier said, it's a working day, and you all